Okay, today we're going to go through installing a John Deere JD Link M modem in a Peterbilt truck. This one's a 379, but a lot of other models are very similar. So I've already got a lot of stuff disassembled and mostly installed just to speed up the video. So we're going to start with removing our glove box here, and then remove whatever you need to on your dash. All dashes are going to be a little bit different, it seems like. And then back inside here, we're going to have wires that are labeled ground, constant power, and then their 242 power is their switch power. So you've got to have switched and unswitched power for your modem. I just use the adapter here and then plug into the 3-pin power plug that comes with it, or yeah, it comes on the main harness. Depending on how old your truck is, a lot of times the stickers and stuff will be gone. I got lucky on this one that they were here. So if they're not there, you just have to check around. They'll be hanging back there somewhere, the wires will, and just check them with a meter till you find a switched, an unswitched, and a ground. And then on this one, I'm going to mount my modem back up inside here. So pull it out here so you can see it good. As you can see there, it's just got some double stick tape on it. You just clean your spot off, peel it off, and stick it wherever you want it. Then tie up all your harnessing, get it out of the way. And then assign the modem to your truck and let it call out, and it's going to pop up on your map and operation center. So good luck.